We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hi everyone, it is time for a Hakka lesson of the day. Ngai Hei Joseph Ling.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng.
Alright, today we're going to paint a picture in everybody's mind. We want to talk about colors. And you know what? When I was little, I always loved rainbows. 彩虹是每一个小朋友最喜欢看到的这个天然的一个景色哦。到现在我都好，每次看到彩虹就特别高兴，你知道吗？特别开心那样子。
懂多色。
很多颜色 Yeah, a lot of colors, colorful colors. And of course, there are 7 standard colors of a rainbow. And so I thought, today maybe we should teach everyone. In English, of course, that's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, which a lot of people didn't know. 电是 indigo, and then violet. Okay.
粉色。
粉。我是从红色开始，你听起来像黄色。粉啊，粉是红哦。Sounds like yellow. 红色再来是粉 That's red. 橙 orange.
橙
哦，就一样橙那黄呢？Vong. Oh, it's got a V sound to it. Vong. That's yellow. How about green? 六大顺六，好像在划拳哦。Green. Oh, okay. So green sounds like 6. 六 Okay. How about blue? 蓝再来电 indigo. 天哦，天空的颜色，可是是深蓝色啦，其实天 that's indigo. And finally, violet. 字 OK, 就是紫色的意思啦那其实没有 color 的东西，黑白顺便也教一下好了。无没有东西啊，无这是 all 吗？
对
哦，所以我们家史都华看起来好无，这个就可以了。Ron Stewart looks black. Well, of course. Okay, so Wu is black, and how about white? 扒了几呢？
你可以来拍啦。
我看起来像拍。OK， 好 ，white is 拍。OK, so here we go.
史都华是无，你也拍。
好，谢谢你的提醒。We're having too much fun with the colors. Okay, one more time. All the colors: 红橙黄绿蓝靛紫黑白。粉橙黄六蓝天字无啪不是啪白There you go. Those are the colors of rainbows and of course also black and white right there. So that does it for a Hakka lesson of the day.
什么太嘎？
案子这一章来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.